welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my potent shampoo at home. It's so affordable and I love this shampoo because I've been using it for a while, and I love it because it really lathers well, and it also helps me to really cleanse my scalp so good. Like, it strips off all the impurities in the hair and you can just feel that. So without wasting much time, let me just show you what I'll be using. But before that, guys, kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a sweet comment in the comment section, like the video and share it if you will. So let's just get started. So this is the setup, and I'll just be using simple things. I have this water in this kettle. I boiled it, it's a little bit warm. Then I have my soap over there. I'll tell you which soap it is in a little while. Then I have my container which I'll be using to just make my mixture, and that is it, guys. I'm not adding anything to it, but if you like, you can use some essential oils, you can add glycerin, you can put any other natural ingredient that you want, because the soap is natural and we want our shampoo to be as natural as possible, right? So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just transferring my soap. I've already cut them into little chunks, so I'm putting them into the container and then adding water, and I'll just put the water until it dries to the brim of the container. Then I'll just go ahead and stir it up, and as you can see, it's already starting to form. Like, this soap really lathers so well. It forms a lot of lather whenever it comes into contact with water and your hair, right? So that's what you want to do, and it also strips the hair of all impurities. I can really vouch for this soap that it does the job well. I really do love it. So after doing all that, I'm just going to give it a good stir. As you can see, I'm just stirring, and I had this knife handy, so that's what I'm going to be using. But you can use a cooking stick, you can use a spoon, or whatever it is that you have. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Then I'll cover it up and leave it to settle for the soap to dissolve into the water for like an hour or so. Then I'll come back after it's all done. And here we go, guys. So this is the soap that I am using. It's African black soap, and it's Dudu Osun. I think that's the company name. It's Dudu Osun, and I love this soap because it's all natural. Like, you can see there, the things that it does: it cleanses, nourishes, protects, and refreshes your skin. You can use it on the scalp, you can even use it on your face, and that's one thing that I really love about this soap. Like, it's so natural, no preservatives or any other thing. Then right here you can see the ingredients of this Dudu Osun black soap. There's the palm kernel oil, cocoa pod ash, palm bunch, whatever, shea butter, there's water, there's pure honey, there's lime juice, which is so good, there's the Osun, also known as camwood, aloe vera, lemon juice, and fragrance. So here at the corner you can see there are no artificial colors, no preservatives, and it's also biodegradable. Guys, that's one thing that I love about this soap. So yeah, that's it. So now back to our mixture. This is it, and it's settled a little bit, and you can see already it's become deep brown color. Like, I think it's kind of brown, but it's like it's black, but it's brownish in color. It's so that rich brown. Anyways, I love it like that, and you can see it's lathering, and guys, that's one thing for sure, it really lathers up well. So after doing this, I'm going to put it into containers that I'm going to be storing it in, and I have this container that I used for my conditioner. It's the conditioner emulsion, so I'm just going to pour the soap into this container, and I'll put it in other containers if need be. So yeah, that's it. And this was a messy process, and guys, this is real life. Let no one like come here proclaiming like everything is perfect. As you can see, it was so messy. I messed up everything, pouring out, blah blah blah. Anyways, we don't have to be perfect all the time, right? So this is it. I hope you are enjoying watching up to this point. If you are still with me, kindly make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave a sweet comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. Like the video. I don't know if I've said that already. Kindly do make sure you share the video too, and continue watching to the very end. Now is the second container that I'm putting the shampoo in, and I think I had a lot, and I was going to wash my hair today, so I'll leave some behind for that purpose of it. And yeah, I'm just using recycled bottles. You don't have to go to the store and buy expensive stuff. You can just recycle whatever it is that you have, right? So after everything, this is all that I have: pure organic shampoo, using black soap, that is Dudu Osun, and I didn't add anything. I didn't add glycerin or whatever, or any essential oils, but yeah, I just love it like this. So natural, so pure, so organic. I hope you enjoyed the video, right? If you did, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment in the comment section, and do leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.